Welcome from Maths and Science channel. In this lecture, I will be taking up a problem in which x cube minus y cube is given a value 130 and x into y is equal to given as 24. We have to find out the ratio of y and x. That is, y by x is equal to how much? This is what we have to find out. Here we will be dealing with the positive real numbers for x and y. We will not be going into the solutions of complex numbers. Square roots of negative will be complex numbers. We will be going for positive real numbers and we will be finding the y by x value. The given equation is x cube minus y cube is equal to 130. X into y is equal to 24. Here we have to find y by x. Let us try to solve this problem. What is the question given? X cube minus y cube is equal to 130 and x into y is equal to 24. What we have to find is y by x. Let us try to solve it. Xy is equal to 24 means it implies the sign is for implying. It implies y is equal to 24 by x. This is the first step we have to do. Then x cube minus y cube is equal to 130. It implies by substituting the value of y in this equation, we will get 24 by x is equal to y. We will substitute in x cube minus y cube is equal to 130, which implies x cube minus 24 by x whole cube is equal to 130. Now, it will be x cube minus 24 cube divided by x cube is equal to 130. Let us say, to simplify, let x cube is equal to p, let us say. Then by substituting p, in above, in place of x cube, it implies p minus 24 cube by p is equal to 130. P minus 24 cube by p is equal to 130, which we have got where p is equal to x cube. Now what is the value of 24 cube? 24 cube is equal to 24 into 24 into 24, that is 576 into 24, 13824. That means the original equation will be in p form 13824 divided by p is equal to 130. Then by taking p as LCM, denominator will be p on the left hand side. This will be p into p is p square minus 13824 is equal to 130. In the next step, what happens? P square minus 13824, by cross multiplication we get 130 into p. That is equal to, that implies p square minus 13824 is equal to 130p. That implies we will bring this 130p to the left hand side. P square minus 130p minus 13824 is equal to 0, which is in form, in which form it is there? AP square plus BP plus C is equal to 0. Here what is the value of A? A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 130, C is equal to minus 13824. For a quadratic equation, the value of the roots will be P is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. This is equal to, what is minus B? B is minus 130. Minus of minus 130 plus or minus square root of B square means minus 130 whole square minus 4. A is 1 into C is minus 13824 whole divided by 2 into 1, which gives the value P is equal to minus into minus 130 is plus 130 plus or minus square root of minus 130 whole square is equal to minus 130 whole square is positive value. 130 into 130. 130 into 130 is 16,900. That will be plus 4 into 1 into minus 4 into 1 into minus 13824. That becomes positive. 4 into 13824 plus 4 into 13824 whole divided by 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. That implies P is equal to 130 plus or minus square root of 16,900 plus 4 into 13824 is 55296. It is a general multiplication divided by 2. That is equal to 130 plus or minus square root of 16,900 plus 55,296. How much it will be? 72,196 whole divided by 2. Now, we know 130 by 2. 130 can be divided by 2. Square root of 72,196, can it be divided by 2 or not? Let us check. P is equal to 130 plus or minus square root of 4 into 18049. 72,196 is equal to 4 into 18049 whole divided by 2. This implies P is equal to 130 plus or minus the square root of 4 will take it out, 2 into square root of 18049 divided by 2, When 130 is divided by 2, it will give 65 plus or minus 2 divided by 2 gives 1, that means square root of 18049. This is the value for P. That means P is equal to 65. 65 into 65, what is the value? 65 into 65, what is the value? 4225. Square root of 18049, that is it is lesser than 18049. Hence, we are considering only positive real values in this solution. Hence, minus sign has to be neglected. This will become 65 square root of 18049 as 65 minus square root of 18049 is equal to negative. Because square root of 18049 is greater than, since 18049 is greater than 65 square, or square root of 18049 is greater than 65. For that, we will be taking only positive value because we have to find the positive real number. That is what is the first initially I have told in the start while starting the question. Now, P is equal to 65 plus square root of 18049, where P is equal to x cube. Now, x is equal to, it implies x is equal to P to the power of 1 by 3. That means x is equal to 65 plus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3 if only positive real values are considered. It can be 65 minus square root of 18049 if negative values are also considered. Negative real values also considered. Because to the power of 1 by 3 or cube, for negative values it gives the negative, and like square root, it will not give the complex number, it gives the real number. Now, x is equal to 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3, overall solution. For real positive values, it is 65 plus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3. Now, next question is to find out y. Y is equal to, what we have considered previously? Y is equal to 24 by x. 24 by x. That is equal to 24 by x is 65 plus, when considering only real positive values, 65 plus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3. Or it can be, if we consider both positive and negative, it can be 24 divided by 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3. Now, what we have to find out is y by x. Y by x is equal to 24 by x into 1 by x. That is equal to 24 by x square. X we know, And let us find out x square, where x square is equal to 65 plus or minus 18049 to the power of 1 by 3 whole square. If a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n, then it becomes y by x is equal to 24 by x square is equal to 24 by 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3 whole square. That means y by x is equal to 24 whole divided by 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 2 by 3. This is the answer. And for example, in the same question, for the benefit of all of you, I want to share another thing. If it is only positive, means consider plus, only negative, if you want real numbers both either positive or negative, you consider plus or minus. Only positive means what happens? This solution will become 24 by 65 plus square root of 18049 to the power of 2 by 3 if only positive real numbers considered. Now, for the benefit of all of you, if it is required to find x plus y, then what shall we do? We know the value of x, we know the value of y, then we'll add them up. X is equal to 65 plus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3, and y is equal to 24 by 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3. Then we'll add x plus y is equal to 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 24 whole divided by 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 1 by 3. This will be x plus y. By simplification, we will get the answer 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 2 by 3 plus 24 whole divided by 65 plus or minus 18049 to the power of 1 by 3. In third form, this is the answer. So we have taken. Now this is the answer. x plus y is equal to 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 23 plus 24 whole divided by 65 plus or minus 18049 to the power of 1 by 3. This is the answer, x plus y. And y by x we have got 24 by 65 plus or minus square root of 18049 to the power of 2 by 3. This way we can solve any question that is given, whether it is x square minus y square, whether it is x square plus y square is equal to something, or x square minus y square is equal to something and xy are given, or there are x cube plus y cube we have seen. There can be a problem x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 or x to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4. We have to simplify it and we have to solve in this way. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for seeing my video. And I have released almost six videos previous to this of algebra, and they are of little bit higher standard than this video. And if you prefer to clear the concepts on congruence, modulo, Euler theorem, you can refer to the previous 6 videos. Best of luck. My channel name is Maths and Science. Please view, review, comment so that I will respond to your queries, and subscribe to my channel.